Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Oreo channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to change profile photos or avatar on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. Click on and go to the profile. Let's move to the edit profile. Click on the edit profile here. And I'll go to the symbol of the photos or symbol of the people here in the upper of the left corner. And there is a two choice or two option for you for the take photo for your camera, and the second one I choose exciting photo for the gallery. Okay, I choose existing photos. Choose the one of the photos that you want to be it. And after that, you can click the use in the upper of the right corner. Click on the use here. And now your photos or the avatar for your Twitter is change it. Okay, let's go to the profile. And before that, don't forget to click save in the upper of the right corner. Let's see. The photos of the Twitter is changed now. Okay, this is a tutorial how to change profile photos or avatar on the Twitter for the Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.